To assemble your new Japanese beetle trap, open the bottom of the bag and remove the lure, twist tie, and panels. Reseal the opening. Then remove the hanging tab at the top of the trap by twisting it firmly. Unfold and flex the panels. Then open and flex the bag. Install the panels by securing each peg into one of the 4 loops on the trap's entrance. Give the bag opening a squeeze to make sure everything is in place. Remove the lure from its packet and install, flat side up, on the post at the top of the panels. Thread the twist tie through the hole in the post to hang the trap.